never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video.
Man has done prayers. Give thanks for life.
So guys, first of all, before we even get into this video, let me give you the joke, right? So I tell Outlaw what we're doing today, what video we're doing today, etc, etc. He says yes, no problem. Say he sits down here literally a minute ago. He sits here and says, what is this? What video is this? You know what? I give up. I didn't even tell him. I just said he's just got to just go along with it. So right now, as he sits here, he doesn't even know what this video is about, even though he should know, because I told him like earlier, a couple of hours ago, what the video is going to be about. He sat here and he doesn't know what the video is about. So
people not listen to her.
Anyway,
we're not listen to her, don't.
You said you don't know what the video is going to be about.
You're not listen to her, don't, people.
Do you know what the video is going to be about?
Yeah, we're talking about everything.
Okay, you know then, yeah.
With the Lord be with you.
And also with you. You see what I have to do with people? Anyway.
Oh.
Guys, let's get into the video. So, I just want to start by saying thank you to all of our subscribers, whether you have been with us from the beginning, middle, or you're a new subscriber. Thank you so much. Like, we appreciate all of you, because you could be doing anything, right? But you choose to sit and watch our videos, our content, and we are really appreciative and we are grateful for each and every one of you.
Beautiful.
I just want to say thank you.
Yeah, and the one that just joined, yeah, that one that just come on board, big respect.
Yeah.
Well of manners. Yeah, welcome.
And in the last 90 days, so about 3 months, we've gained nearly 700 new subscribers in the last 3 months. Yeah, so
Beautiful.
Thank you to all you guys too. And because we've gained so many new subscribers in the last few months, I just wanted to let you guys know what we do outside of YouTube. So if you're one of our regular subscribers, you've been with us for a long time, you guys already know what we do outside of YouTube. So YouTube is just one part of what we do, but we do other things as well. And I just wanted to update and let our new subscribers know, or those subscribers that may not be familiar with the things that we do outside of YouTube, what we do, because who knows, it may be of benefit to you. We may be able to offer you a service. So we're just going to update you on some of the things that we do outside of YouTube, okay? So as many of you know, some of you don't know, we are a registered tour operator, right? So we do tours all over the island-wide tours. The name of our tour company is datmisehtv Island Tours. We are official registered business.
Say it again.
datmisehtv Island Tours.
Beautiful. Respect.
datmisehtv, is that right? datmisehtv Island Tours. Guys, I'm so used to saying datmisehtv Tours, but when we
still blame the thing.
Yeah, when we registered the business, we had to put the island in there. So datmisehtv Island Tours is our official name.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
And we've been going for about, I don't know, a year?
Not that.
Not so, maybe a year, about a year. Yeah, no, not registered. We've been operating for about a year as a business. And what we do is we offer island-wide tours, like I said. We do airport pickups and drop-offs. So if you're coming to Jamaica and you need somebody reliable to come and pick you up and drop you to your destination,
got you covered.
We've got you covered, as Outlaw says. We do both airports. So we always get a lot of queries. Or do you do Kingston? Because I know you're on the North Coast. Yes, we do pickups from Kingston. We do pickups from Norman Manley. If you're coming into Ian Fleming Boscobel, we'll do pickup there too, okay?
remember what's the island tour?
Island tours, yeah.
Cover Jamaica.
Yeah. So our tours are not just, of course we do the popular tours, the Mystic Mountain and Duns River and all the local ones. But if there is somewhere you want to go that's a bit off the beaten track, that's not the regular, we do that too. If you're looking for chartered services, maybe you're coming down, you want to go look for family somewhere, you need to hire us for the day, charter, we do that too, okay?
Just give me the address.
Just give him, he knows nearly everywhere, but if he doesn't know, give him the address, as he says, and he will find it.
I will be there.
Yeah, so that's the one part of our business, right? The second part of our business, which is going really well, is in land and property, okay? So again, I know many of you know this, so sorry for repeating, but for those of our newcomers, it's just important to keep you guys up to date. So we help people, especially from abroad, to find land and houses. So if you're abroad
Beautiful.
and you're thinking of purchasing a piece of land, or you want to, purchase a home, we can help with that. Now, let me just stress, and I say this,
The groundwork.
the groundwork, yeah.
We put that together before
Yeah.
you make your move.
Definitely.
Please do.
Before we even get into kind of the ins and outs of how we can help you with that, I'm not a realtor yet. Take from that where you are yet. So I'm not a licensed realtor, and I'm not really doing necessarily realtor's work. I'm doing the stuff that the realtor won't do. Yeah, we do the bits that the realtor is not going to do for you. Okay. But that whole realtor thing, I'm really thinking about maybe, getting my license and all of that. But that's for another video, right? So how we can help is, there's a few ways that we can help you, right? So if you're looking for a piece of land or a house, you've seen something on the internet, one of the online sites, you're not in the country and you want us to help you, we can. How can we help you? One, we will be the go-between or the first point of contact with the realtors, okay? I get this a lot, right? And I'm not bashing anybody, any realtors or anything like that, but I get this a lot. It's really hard to get in contact with realtors out here. It's hard to get information. It's hard to get a call back, all of the rest of it. And I know what it's like when you're abroad. It's hard, isn't it? You've got to work at the different time zones. You've got to try and contact people. They don't get back to you. All of that stuff. So what we do is we will be the first point of contact for the realtors. If you see a piece of land or a house you like, we'll contact them on your behalf. We will set up the viewings. Okay, so obviously we have to wait to see what availability they have. We will work with their time schedules. We will arrange the viewing, and we'll do the viewing on your behalf. This can be done in a number of ways. Usually we do a video of the property, not just the property though. We always do the community, the surrounding areas. We do the drive up to the property, like from the main road. We talk to people. We get a sense of what the community is like.
If the realtor can't find the property, we can.
And that's the thing as well. You may say, what is Outlaw talking about? What do you mean if the realtor can't find the property? Now, a lot of realtors have listings and they don't know where the property is themselves. They maybe never been.
No.
I know it's not all, but we have encountered some of this.
Yes. Yes.
Calling realtors, asking for directions. They're like, oh, actually, I've never been there. I don't actually know where it is. Okay. But we find it. So that does happen from time to time. But we'll do that on your behalf. The other thing we can do is we can give you a FaceTime call or a WhatsApp call, video call should I say, and we can take you on the viewing as we're there. On the spot, so you can see it as we're there, okay? So that's one way that we help people, and that's the same with land or house. The second thing we do, we get a lot of inquiries from people who say, look, I really want a piece of land or I want a property. I don't really know exactly really know exactly what's out there. I know I want to be in this area or this area or this area or this type of community. Can you help me?
Yes.
Right? So we do the search from scratch for you.
For such area.
Yeah. So we do the groundwork, meaning I will do all the property searches. I will be obviously based on your needs, your budget, your specifications, and your requirements. I will get in contact with all the realtors. I will do all the groundwork, do the search, and then what I'll do is I'll send you over all of the properties I have found that meet your requirements. You can then say, yes, I like this one, I don't like that one. You can shortlist it. Once you've shortlisted it, we will go and do the viewings for you, send it over to you, and then, of course, you can take it from there.
Good.
Another thing we can do for you, and we have done, is
you have to do that.
You have to
get
do
everything
that.
together.
Once you decide you like something, you may want to come and take a trip. So we've kind of covered the groundwork for you already. Once you come over, then you can have a look at those shortlisted properties, right? You don't have to go through the whole process. We can take you to those properties as part of our package, or you may want to decide you've got your own ride or whatever. You can go yourself. Another very, 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 very important thing, guys, and we can help you with this as well, is finding the right attorney. So if you're buying a property, you're going to need an attorney to help to complete the purchase, right? So, and this is something I get all the time. I don't know any attorneys. I wouldn't even know where to start. Can you recommend somebody? Are they trustworthy? Are they reliable? Guys, we can help you with that. But not just about attorney, it's about finding the right attorney, right?
Good.
And that's one of the most common questions I get asked is, about attorneys, surveyors, all financial institutions for mortgages, all of the organizations and people you need when you're purchasing land or property. So we can also help you with that. We can make recommendations to you for good, reliable, trustworthy attorneys, surveyors, etc. All of the things that you need when purchasing land or a house, okay? So we can help you with that as well.
100 and that.
Maybe you're not even, maybe you've already got a house, or you've got somewhere, or you want to sell somewhere, and you just need recommendation for attorneys. We can help you with that also. So guys, that's the second part of what we do.
You have somewhere that you don't see for a long time, want us to go there and look for it, look at what's going on, and tell you everything what's going on.
Yeah, so yeah, just to clarify what Outlaw is saying.
The whole thing.
Another part, and that's a good point, because I forgot about that part. Yeah, so another thing we do, which people do call us to do quite a lot as well, is they already have properties out here.
Really?
So they've had properties out here, and they've not been able to come out to Jamaica for whatever reason for quite a while, and they just want to see the state of their property. They want to see the condition. They want to see if the yard is growing up. They just want to check the condition of the surroundings.
Yeah.
That's something we do. We've done quite a few of those as well. So again, if you've got a property out here, you're not able to travel for whatever reason, you just want to make sure what's the condition of the property in, maybe the surrounding.
We'll check out that for you.
We'll check out that. Yeah, just get in contact with us, and we will do that for you guys. On the screen now, I'm going to put our contact details. I would encourage you guys to start with a message first, whether it's a WhatsApp message or an email, just because when we're on the road and I get so many calls, I can't always just pick the phone up, because sometimes we're on the job, right? And you have to be professional. I don't want to be talking on the phone to somebody else while I'm with other clients. So guys, if you do ring and I don't answer, please don't take it personally. We're busy, we're tied up. If you send us a message, then of course, I will get back to you, and then we can make the relevant calls as such. So
we're keeping it in real.
Yeah, so that is what we do. So that's number 2 of our business. So that's 2 parts of business. So that's business number 2, right? So the third thing we have going on is our pig farming business, right? Guys, we're going to update you with what's going on with our pig farm. We've got a few things to implement, a few more things to put together, but our aim is that by the end of the year, everything will be put together and we can update you with what's going on.
Yeah, we'll go back up the one, we'll make this one.
Yeah, definitely, because a lot of people have been asking, I want to see what's going on with the pig pen, what's happening with the pig pen, so we're going to show you that, so in a couple of months' time. So that's business number 3.
Yeah.
Alright, now our fourth little hustle, I guess, our fourth business is our datmisehtv online store. Guys, we have an online store where we have different types of merchandise and apparel. We have the usual t-shirts, hats, we have hoodies, we have bags, we have water bottles, and we've also added some new products to the line. We've added new products to the line, and guys,
some good things are going on there.
Yeah, I'm going to go through and show you them now. So what I'm going to do, for those of you who don't know about our online store or merchandise, we're going to go through some of the pieces that we have and some of our new pieces. And guys, we have a Christmas special going on now, okay?
Right now.
So from now until the 18th of December, so you've got a couple of months. From now to the 18th of December, we have a Christmas special where every product you get a discount, okay? On every product,
that's what I want
you get a discount. Now, guys, I'm not talking about once you put all your things in the cart and then you check out, you get your discount at the end. No, every product is a discount. So when you put your stuff in the cart and you get to the checkout, you get a discount on every single product, okay? In terms of shipping and locations we ship to, I'm pleased to say we ship to everywhere now. There were some issues before with shipping to Jamaica, and I had to block shipping to Jamaica. And my advice was, if you want something shipped to Jamaica, come and order it directly through us. Give us a call, email, whatever. Guys, we ship everywhere now. So all of your orders can be done directly on the website, okay? Directly on the website to any country, to every country. We're shipping to every country, okay? There will be a very small shipping fee. Guys, I've tried to keep this as low as possible for you so that everybody can have access. Do remember though, for the Christmas special, I'm also discounting all of the products. So the shipping cost, I've tried to keep that to a minimal so that everybody can have access, right?
Good thing, man.
Yeah.
Good, man. Good thing.
So guys, I'm just going to show you some of the things that we have right now, some of the products that we have coming up on the screen now. And guys, go ahead and, you know, place your orders. Remember to place them in time for Christmas. Maybe there's something there for your granny, your auntie, your mom, your dad, the kids,
I can bet,
the neighbor.
Yeah, but see something you like, you know.
Yeah.
Alice, me not involved. You want to see something you like.
Yes, guys, go ahead, have a look at the website. And yeah, let's have a look at some of the things now. So guys, it's really easy to find the store online. Just type in Dat Miseh Store, it comes up. This is our website, this is what it looks like. These are some of the featured collections. And then if you just go up the top, click catalogue, that's where you'll see all of the products. So these are some of the products we've had since the beginning. And we've also got a line of new products. So this is one of the new products. This is just a stocking, Christmas stocking, you know, for the kids. Put little things in there, Christmas Eve. We also have some other products. We'll go through some of these older products as well at the end. We also have pajamas. We have men's pajama set, top and bottom. I think we have this in Manners and Prayers as well. We have the women's version of that too. This is a new product, the Bluetooth speaker and wireless charging pad with Manners and Prayers on it. This is a nice little gift for somebody. Bluetooth speaker with wireless charging pad. We also have passport holders. So we have the black one with Manners and Prayers on it. And we have the white one with Dat Miseh on it as well. Protect your passports. You definitely won't lose your passports with these covers. Okay, another addition are scented candles. So we have the scented candles in different sizes. This is the 9-ounce one. This is the Manners and Prayers one. We also have it in Dat Miseh as well. Scented candles, always a nice gift idea. That's the Dat Miseh one. All right. Wireless earbuds. We have wireless earbuds. These are great for children and young people. You know they love their earphones. Right, this one is the wine tote bag. Yep, I need one of these to put your wine in. Maybe you're going to visit a friend, you can put your wine in it. Or maybe as a gift, if you're giving somebody a gift of wine. These are the Dat Miseh socks. Oh, there's your earbuds again with Manners and Prayers on it this time. So there's Dat Miseh and Manners and Prayers. So lots of products. We've got the women's pajamas. So we've got the cotton ones. We have satin pajamas as well. These are 100% satin. So we've got created with a purpose as the logo on the shirt. We've got them in black. We've got them in white. Women's satin pajamas created with a purpose as well. These are really, really cute. Nice gift idea for somebody or even for yourself at Christmas time. We have the short pajama set with faith over fear written on the top and on the shorts. So again, maybe for a young person, good Christmas idea for them. Alright, let's have a little browse, a scroll through some of our original products. So we've got loads of different types of t-shirts. We've got some with Bible verses on them. We've got some with Black Beauty on them, as I like to call it. Let's have a look at some of them. We've got the black woman with a crown. This is a good seller, a black woman holding the flowers. This one also is a really good seller. We've got some with inspirational quotes on them. We've got an original Manners and Prayers. These come in different colours, by the way. So even though you're just seeing black and white on most of them, this is Corinthians 13:13. Even though you're seeing just black and white, if you click into it, there are multiple colours. All right, so there's red, orange, yellow, blue, purple, whatever colour fits your fancy. We've got hoodies as well. More t-shirts, water bottles. They come in different colours as well. We've got caps. We've got tote bags. And then back to the homepage. So guys, please do go out and support. Get your Christmas gifts. Put your orders in. And guys, thank you for watching. Until the next time.
This one has got to be
Now, 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 now. Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.